A lot of people are asking what a classroom will look like in a post-pandemic world. Will students want to come to class? Will they choose all remote? What if some students moved out of state, took different jobs, or have different schedules now? Maybe some students just don't want to deal with traffic anymore. And what about all of those who literally cannot wait to get back into the classroom? How can we meet students where they are at and still deliver an engaged and connected educational experience? Well, we have the answer. Walsh Connected Classrooms. Connected Classrooms connect on-ground and virtual students in a way that builds community, enhances learning, and takes maximum advantage of personal instruction as well as technology. Now, we're already pretty tech savvy. We know how to gather from all over the world onto computer screens to meet, communicate, and learn. We've done that for the past year and a half, and despite its challenges, we've made it work pretty well. But Walsh takes it one step further. We built the classrooms of tomorrow today. By blending the classroom experience with the virtual experience, we personalize learning while maintaining the connection to instructors and classmates that many students crave. We meet learners where they are so they can live their lives and complete their degrees. Virtual students can have conversations with on-ground students and the instructor in real time because they are all sitting in the same room. In a whole new way, Walsh harmoniously blends the classroom experience into a seamless learning community. And just because the Connected Classroom has made its debut, don't think that the Walsh Dream Committee is sitting around idle. Quite inspired by the Connected Classrooms, we have already begun planning our next phase of learning in the post-pandemic world. The EPIC Center is our next project that's already in the works. EPIC stands for Experimental Prototype for Innovative Classrooms. It is designed to be the epicenter of learning innovation at Walsh. This will be a space of collaboration, testing, thinking, designing, and continuous improvement where instructors can work together to implement new learning and teaching innovations that will help keep Walsh on the cutting edge. This lab will house physical equipment such as augmented and virtual reality devices, so instructors can modernize classroom assignments and bring new experiences to students. We are hoping to have equipment in the lab that instructors can use that they just wouldn't otherwise have access to. And this lab is to be a place of ideas where people can think outside of the box, experiment, fail, succeed, and collaborate across disciplines. It's going to be epic. If you'd like to contribute to the success of innovative teaching and learning at Walsh, you can. We are ready to take Walsh to the cutting edge.